I'm going to ask you something I used to ask you in coaching, and you never, ever could answer it.
Okay.
It's not on this list of things we talked about.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
I need the best, funniest story you have about real
Oh
estate.
my gosh, I have one. I have the best story. This is so great, and people get a kick out of it. And I think about this all the time now when you're like going into the house. So I was selling a house in Lawrenceville, and I had open house after open house. This person that came to the open house, when we were actually, they were like really sure this is the one. We were going through and looking things differently, and there was this Peloton mirror behind this door, and it's a door that is like underneath the porches in Lawrenceville.
Okay.
So it's, you know, where they used to like put coal in, you know.
It's like a cellar.
It's like a cellar, but it's not a cellar.
Right.
So we couldn't move the mirror, it was too heavy, and he said to me, and they had an accent. He's from another country, and his real estate agent also had an accent. So it made it that much funnier. But he said, "Are there dead bodies? Are there dead bodies back there?" And I go, "Oh no, there's no dead bodies. We just really can't move this mirror." But the person that lived there that was selling was very organized, and she had these bins labeled, and right next to the door there was a bin that said body bags.
Okay.
And so the realtor goes, Charlotte, if there's no dead bodies in that room, why is there body bags?
There's a whole bag.
There's a whole body, yes. And so that is just so funny to me now. And I asked the seller, why did you name a bin body bags? And she goes, well, they're like you can fit a whole body in it. It's contractor bags, but they're just contractor bags, but you could literally fit a whole body in.
So from now on, I'm going to call contractor bags
Body bags. Yes.
That's going to be the new thing.
So that, yeah.
Oh, that was a good story. So finally, she has a story that you can tell me.